Alright, so first off, she has Kaspersky on here. That's likely limiting anything she's fucking doing. So, yep, so Kaspersky is even limiting fucking Task Manager. So, let's see here. Kaspersky right off the bat is using 2.1%, not even doing anything. Let's open this Chrome up and let's find out what's happening here. Yep, so Kaspersky is uses about 20% of the CPU when you do anything. What the fuck is safe money? Safe banking. Oh goodness. Okay. So, okay, I'm not gonna end it there. I'm not gonna end it there. So, give her the benefit of the doubt. She said things were running slowly, so let's open this up. Let's, Kaspersky is, where is, it's on top, there we go. So, alright, so Kaspersky, like even right now is at 11%, not even doing anything. Blank workspace. Brain, other files, couldn't find. Possible that was moved. Okay, so F, that is a removable drive. Alright, so she said the C drive was being fucky on her. So, Jesus, it looks like she fucking bent the shit out of this. Okay, right off the bat, the drive itself. So it's super loose. Obviously wasn't like that when I sold it to her. So she did something to it. Alright. So go ahead and try to burn a disk. Yeah, she's barely used anything on the solid state. Let's go get Winderstat. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. So hibernation file, that file. Recovery. So that looks good. Alright. We're going to go grab HW monitor. This is hardware monitor. We're going to run a stress test, make sure the CPU is okay. We're going to go grab Prime 95. So we're going to call this Prime 95. We're going to move all that stuff in there. Go ahead and run that. Run hardware monitor. Right now it's sitting at about 50 Celsius. So the fan's definitely going to pick up. GPU's fine. Let's see. So it's been up non-stop for 4 days. That's one thing. So it's a quad-core processor. Alright, so we'll go ahead and run all 8 threads, which is okay. Lots of RAM tested. We actually want to do maximum power consumption, some RAM tested. There we go. Alright, here we go. Watch this temperature here. This is the max. This is the current package. Yep, so it's warming up a bit. The point of this is to make sure that it's stable, because it sounded like it was crashing and whatnot on her. When this gets done, we'll run this for 5-10 minutes, and when this gets done, we'll go ahead and burn a disk. I'll just put some of the files on there. It's fine. We're also going to burn a DVD as well. So, we've got some project files in here, some media files, enough for a disk. Enough for a DVD, I should say. So we'll burn a DVD after this. So temp is staying right around 60, 66. So everything looks fine. It hasn't crashed. If it had stability issues, it likely would have crashed by now. Like almost right after you start the test is when it would crash. What Prime 95 does is it pushes all the processor threads, or however many you put, I should say, to 100%, non-stop, just constantly just mashing it with calculations. That's average temperature. Yeah, that's fine. Everything's looking fine. So it's not thermal throttling or anything, so that's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and stop the test. It's doing what it should. Alright. So let's go ahead, pop that in there. Oh, other way. So here's Kaspersky being wonderful again. Just idling at 20%, like, just ridiculous. Word looks fine. All the files that she had were on a removable drive, so any speed issues were likely because of that. Touchpad recovered some files. Yep. So let's go ahead and restart that then. Document auto recovered. Okay, so here we go. So looks fine. I'm gonna go ahead and save this to documents. Just so it's saved in case she needs it. Recovered file. Okay. Alright, so it still looks fine. Alright, so let's go ahead and burn some stuff to the disk. I'm just gonna copy the downloads folder. We'll use it like a USB drive. We'll call this CD data disk test. She said that the DVD drive would make screeching noises, so find out about that. Sounds normal to me. So, go ahead and paste those in there. That's average. Average level. I don't know what she was talking about screeching. That's just how DVD drives sound. That's also why people don't use them anymore. Cock ranch. Okay. So now it's stuck at 99% because it's finalizing the disk. It's putting the ending code on the disk so it knows where the beginning or the end of it is. Alright, 100% complete. Go ahead and release the disk. So I pressed open on the disk, on the drive, right when it finished finalizing, so it's gonna check, make sure the stuff is there, and yeah, now it kicks out. Alright, so that's fine. Let's burn DVD. Okay. Speed drive. Let's copy this. There we go. There, we'll call this DVD burn test. Paste the files in there. See, these speeds are why nobody uses DVD drives. Let me just show you what it would be like. So I'm gonna copy these files to the drive from the USB drive. So even like reading from the USB drive, it's this. Writing is probably gonna be like 5 to 10-ish. The DVD will never go above 5.7. So. Okay. And then once it gets done burning that stuff to the disk, which still sounds fine. I mean, when you're burning, I don't know if maybe she was carrying the laptop when she was burning the disk. You're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to leave the drive or leave the laptop on a desk and just let it go, because that thing's moving fast. I'm actually curious. Let's see. CD drive RPM. Yeah, so about 4,000 RPM. A little slower than a hard drive, standard hard drive. So 4,000 revolutions a minute. At lowest, it's 1,500. Yeah, you don't want to fucking move on a vertical axis, especially when it's moving that fast. The disk is warping at that speeds. You know, if you ever watch slow-mo videos, just go to the slow-mo guys on YouTube. Just watch them spin a disc as fast as they can and stuff, and you'll just see how it warps. I'm not seeing anything unusual with this computer other than Kaspersky. Kaspersky even asked to open up fucking Task Manager. I mean, it's ridiculous. It looks like it's also running Windows Defender at the same time. Okay, no, so if you open up Windows Defender, it just opens up Kaspersky. That's cool. I didn't know that. Oh, details. What do we got here? License is in effect. So she paid money for Kaspersky. 196 days. Oh, good lord. Wow. 5, 6. She... 2 months. When did she buy this? April, May, June. June. 31 p.m. Why did she fucking buy? Okay, hold on. I gotta go back in my... We're gonna let this continue. I'm gonna find out when she bought this. So she bought this June 20th. January, February, March, April, May, June. That's 6. Activation date. Was the date wrong on this thing? Oh, she just activated. Okay, she already had. She just added this device. Okay, so she already has Kaspersky on one of her other computers. Yeah, because so she has the activation date is before she even bought this. So she bought this 6/20 instead of not 5 anything. So, wow. Okay, so she's using Kaspersky on her personal computers. She just added this to thing. All right, yeah, for 5 computers for 366 days. Yeah. Wunderbar. Let's go see what my Kaspersky says here, if she's already signed in or not. Okay, so she didn't keep her password. So as you can see, DVD drive's still going, still fine. I'm gonna show you why nobody uses discs anymore. I mean, it's ridiculous. They're 4.7 gigs, okay, maximum. Let's go to Amazon. So, Amazon.com. Even this, look at this. Kaspersky, 25% of the CPU. Wow. Wow. Website open in another protected browser. Wow. Okay, so they forcibly make you use their browser. Interesting. Run protected browser. Wow. Okay. Protected. As in, they're taking all your information. Protected. Fucking wonderful. Okay. That's your fucking issue. Okay. Let's go ahead and restart. Okay, so it's reopening everything. I'm going to stop that because that's actually a big problem with Windows 10. It causes a lot of issues. So, power performance, go here, turn off quick startup. Change plan settings. When you're plugged in, you never want it to go to sleep. Make this go to sleep after 45 minutes. Turn off the display after 15. Because sleep is bad for solid state drives. Don't sleep unless you have to.